Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see Table Toolbar. In our previous video, I have already shown you how to insert a table in Impress. If you want to have a look, just go to this I button. Now come, we will insert a table here. As soon as we will insert a table here, just have a look. A table toolbar appears in the drawing area. So this is the table toolbar. This first button is to insert more table. If you want to insert one more table, we can insert from here. Look here, one more table is inserted. Now I will undo it. Select the table again. This is to set the border style of the table. When we go to the different borders, just look the effect on the table. So you can select different border styles from here, whichever you want to have. Now from here we can set the color of the border. Look the effect. Now it is of red color. So green color. Now look. If we want to select the style for a particular cell, then also we can change its border style. From here you can set any border style like this. Style of this particular cell changed. If I want to set any style from here, this is also for the borders. If I want to have thick style, thick borders, I'll select this one. So look, for this it is thick border. So you can change the style of the whole table or of selected cells. If I want to set the style for these two selected cells, again I'll go and will look. So you can change either the style of the table or of particular cells. Now we'll have the look on the other things. This is for the different filling style. Area filling style, like if I will choose this particular cell and now look at the style. One by one I'm going to select this style and you just have a look over there. Gradient. From here I can choose color. Now for this I'll change something else. Hatching. From here I can select any style. Hatching style. Then I'll go for the next cell. I'll go for the bitmap. From here any style you can choose. Again for bitmap I'll choose something else from here, like floral. Again you can set any style for any particular cell or for whole table. Napoli. Come on this. I'll go for something else now. Gradient and gradient Marconi. I don't think I want to change the still. For hatching again I select anything else like this. So if I insert any data here, A1 and A2, A3. Now we'll see inserting, deleting rows, columns and splitting of cell and merging of cells. Look, if I'll select these two cells and then I'll go for merge cells. These two cells will be merged into one cell. ये दोनों सेल कंबाइन होके एक सेल हो जाएंगे. Look, now those two cells converted to the single cell only. If I want to split any cell, like if I want to split this cell, so I select this cell and then go for the splitting cells. How many rows or how many columns you want, means if you want to split it horizontally, just go to it, and how many rows in that particular cell you want, just insert the number of rows and look the effect. That's okay. Look, this cell is divided into 3 rows, A3, A4 and A5. Similarly, if I want to split any cell vertically, then I'll choose that cell and we'll go for again splitting cell and we'll go for vertically. Now look, that was one cell previously, now it is vertically splitted. So this was merging of cells and splitting of cells. Now come on this alignments. I want alignment of this particular cell on center vertically. So look, this is center vertically. If I want to align it at bottom, go for the align bottom. If I want it at top, just go for the top button. This is to insert row above, below, and insert column before, after, or deleting rows or deleting columns. Now look, come on this, insert row above. If I choose this row and will go for insert below, so a blank row will get inserted. The same pattern applied. Similarly, if I want to insert one row before this, so I will go for above. Look. If I want to insert any column, we'll go for inserting a column. If I choose this column and I go for this insert column before, so a column just before that column will get inserted with the same pattern. Look here, this got inserted, and if I go for after, one more will be inserted. Look here, after this it will be inserted, and previously it was inserted before that. Now to delete, again just select that column and go for delete column, it will get deleted. Look, and if I want to delete any row, like if I want to delete this row, just go to the delete row button. In this manner it will get deleted. So I think this much is enough. Now in our next video we will see how to insert chart in Impress. Thank you for listening. Bye bye for now.